Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lili in Tekken 8. Lili is a character who thrives on elegant evasion and swift counterattacks. Her unique movement, especially her backdash and sidesteps, allows her to gracefully avoid incoming attacks. This creates perfect openings for you to punish your opponent's whiffs. Mastering her evasive maneuvers is key to unlocking her full potential and controlling the pace of the match. Lili's core moves are essential for applying pressure and opening up opponents. Her Alstroemeria, performed with down forward and 3, is a fantastic mid-launcher that leads into significant combo damage. For quick, evasive high attacks, Edelweiss with back and 3 is excellent. Don't forget Circlet, a forward, and 4 input, which provides a fast, tracking low poke. Finally, Orchid Knee with forward, and 3 is a strong mid-option for maintaining offensive pressure. Mastering Lili's combos and understanding the heat system is crucial for maximizing damage. After a successful launcher like Alstroemeria, aim for consistent 4-hit combos to secure good damage. Her Heat Burst offers an immediate burst of pressure and can extend existing combos. Serpent's Kiss, performed with down back and 4, is a powerful low heat engager that can catch opponents off guard. Remember to use Heat Dash after a launcher to extend your combos for even more devastating damage. Lili's defensive play and mind games are just as important as her offense. Use her exceptional sidestep and backdash to bait out your opponent's attacks, then punish their whiffs. Always mix up your high and low attacks to keep them guessing and prevent them from establishing a predictable defense. Her counter-hit tools, such as Backlash with back and 4, are excellent for turning the tide. Finally, be unpredictable with her various evasive stances to truly confuse your opponents and control the match.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.